Hello, my name is Patricia Bennett, and I have been helping businesses select and implement ERP business software for over 30 years. I've been getting a lot of questions from businesses that are not sure if it's the right time for them to change software. And I decided to create this video to help those of you that are indecisive about changing your ERP, tell you the signs where you definitely are ready to change software. So this is just a few points, but if you have any of those, definitely start looking for software. First of all, if you have people entering data, the same data in multiple locations, you definitely need new software. If your employees track data via Excel and do their jobs in Excel instead of the ERP you're using, you definitely need new software. If you have multiple independent applications creating islands of information so that when you're ready to make a decision, you have to start pulling data from multiple locations, you need new software. If your current software is no longer supported by the publisher, you need new software. If your system keeps crashing, or you have to start new databases every couple of years because the volume of data you're producing is bigger than what the software can handle, you need new software. If you depend on one person who supports your system, that puts your business in a very dangerous situation, and you definitely need new software. If your current software solution is precluding you from growing your business because it will not support the processes that you need in order to grow, you definitely need new software. If you have inventory and you either have too much inventory or not enough, you need new software. If you have too much inventory, your cash is tied in your inventory, and if you don't have enough, you're not able to fulfill orders that are coming in, which also is not a good situation. If your employees are constantly making mistakes because of the way that the software works, you definitely need new software. Again, my name is Patricia Bennett. I have been helping companies for over 30 years to select and implement new systems. If you need some help, if I can help you in any way, please reach out. Thank you very much.